Are you watching your calorie intake but still want to enjoy a delicious breakfast? Look no further than 3 scrambled eggs calories. This protein-packed meal is perfect for those who want to start the day off right without sacrificing flavor. In this article, we'll explore the nutritional value of 3 scrambled eggs and share 3 low-calorie recipes to satisfy your morning cravings. Nutritional value of 3 scrambled eggs. 3 scrambled eggs have approximately 234 calories, 19 grams of protein, and 15 grams of fat. While this may seem high in fat, it's important to note that the majority of the fat is healthy monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. Additionally, eggs are a great source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin D, choline, and selenium. Benefits of including scrambled eggs in your breakfast. Adding scrambled eggs to your breakfast routine has numerous benefits. Firstly, the high protein content will keep you feeling full and satisfied until lunchtime. Secondly, eggs are incredibly versatile and can be paired with a variety of ingredients to create a delicious and satisfying meal. Finally, the nutrients found in eggs can help support overall health and well-being. Low-calorie scrambled egg recipes. Now, let's get to the fun part, the recipes. All of these recipes are low in calories, high in protein, and bursting with flavor. Recipe 1, Spinach and Mushroom Scrambled Eggs. Recipe 2, Broccoli and Cheddar Scrambled Eggs. Recipe 3, Tomato and Basil Scrambled Eggs. Discover in description of the video the complete article on our blog with preparations of the recipes.
Don't forget to claim below the video in the description your online course about brain reboot, lose fat like crazy. It is not a strict diet, hard to keep, but a 7-step brain reboot. It's like a washing pressure for our insides, and we keep it fun and easy to apply. 1 video per day for 7 days to change forever your habits and reach the body shape that reflects your inner personality, provides you confidence, and makes you proud of yourself.